V12s are out, hybrids are in, and Lamborghini just did something unthinkable. They replaced the Huracán with a V8 hybrid supercar. Meet the Lamborghini Temerario, the latest raging bull that blends brutal power with electrification. But can a hybrid truly deliver Lamborghini's signature excitement, or is this just another step toward an all-electric future? Let's dive in. Lamborghini has been one of the last holdouts in the EV revolution, clinging to naturally aspirated engines for as long as possible. But emissions regulations are tightening, and hybridization is no longer an option. It's a necessity. The Temerario is Lamborghini's answer to this shift. It ditches the Huracan's V10 for a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with 3 electric motors, producing a staggering 907 horsepower. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reinvention of what a Lamborghini can be. The Temerario looks every bit as wild as you'd expect from Lamborghini. It takes design cues from the Revuelto and Sesto Elemento, with sharp angles, aggressive aerodynamics, and massive air intakes. What really sets it apart is the active aerodynamics. Adjustable wings, splitters, and diffusers that shift dynamically to maximize downforce at high speeds while reducing drag on the straights. It's not just fast, it's smart fast. This is where things get serious. Under the hood, the Temerario combines a twin-turbocharged V8 with 3 electric motors, delivering 907 horsepower, a blistering 0 to 60 time of 2.7 seconds, and a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. But here's the twist. It can drive in full electric mode. That's right, you can silently cruise through the city before unleashing the V8's fury on the open road. The electric motors also improve instant torque delivery, making acceleration sharper than ever before. You might be wondering, why ditch the naturally aspirated engine? The answer is simple: regulations and performance. Euro 7 emissions laws are forcing automakers to cut CO2 emissions, and hybridization boosts torque and acceleration beyond what a gas engine alone can achieve. In short, Lamborghini didn't go hybrid because they wanted to. They did it because they had to, but they made sure it feels like a Lamborghini, and that's what matters. The Temerario isn't just about raw power, it's about control. The electric motors improve traction by delivering instant power to the front wheels. The all-wheel drive system is smarter, adjusting power distribution in real time. The steering is sharper, thanks to the new electronic differential. And thanks to the hybrid system, the car recovers energy while braking, ensuring you get peak performance every time you hit the throttle. The Lamborghini Temerario enters a battlefield of high-performance hybrids, competing with Ferrari's SF90 Stradale, the McLaren Artura, and the legendary Porsche 918 Spyder. The SF90 Stradale might be its biggest rival, but Lamborghini has one major advantage: emotion. The Temerario is designed to feel wilder, more engaging, and more visceral than anything else in its class. The Temerario represents a pivotal moment in the supercar world. Governments worldwide are pushing for hybrid and EV adoption, and automakers are finding ways to balance performance with sustainability. Lamborghini is proving that hybrids don't have to be boring. In a few years, full electric Lamborghinis will become a reality. But for now, the Temerario keeps the heart of the brand alive, just with a little help from electricity. The Lamborghini Temerario is more than just a Huracan replacement. It's a statement, a V8 hybrid that's faster, smarter, and still a raging bull at heart. But what do you think? Is this the future of Lamborghini, or would you rather see them stick to pure combustion engines? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car content. Thanks for watching.